All right. Well, next up on the salvage rebuild list is this 2014 BMW 328d station wagon. These things are actually kind of tough to find. Mr. Thomas strikes again and decided this is what he wants as a daily. So we started doing a little bit on the front here, but it's all off now. So it was hit in this corner. It's out of Washington. Surprisingly no rust. You can see this bar is pushed back just a smidgen. So we're giving her the old chain jerk on a tree.
All right, that might have been enough.
I'm gonna get there. This model looks like it fits now. And this all bolts up.
First try. I like that. All right, well, we got the Bondo work done on the doors. That's super exciting. We got to work on the rear bumper. It's late, it's cold. We can't do it tonight anyway, but I got it off, and I wanted to point out, I was not the first one. Check this out. The bracket that holds everything was left loose by whoever probably replaced it last time. You can also see on the bumper that what we were looking at before, examining. If you get super close to it, there's even more. It looks like somebody on the backside melted. I don't know how well you can see that. But yeah, they basically this spot we're going after to fix, and these little spots here, they plastic welded that and jumbled it all up. So this has been repaired poorly, but it has been repaired. So we're going to do it better, hopefully. If not, then it probably is what it is. But we got the cool 3M flexible bumper patches with some filler and stuff, sandable filler at that, so it should turn out pretty good, I think. Also, while I was pulling the rear bumper, old guy figured out how to get all this other plastics put in here with this bumper reinforcement and this nice cross member, so things are looking up. So we got a little more body work tomorrow, and then hopefully we can get some paint on some things. Well, this 3M plastic filler, sandable plastic filler, was freaking amazing. So this is super smooth already. We're gonna hit this with some primer and then sand it down and try and get it as straight as possible. Finishing up this rebuild here. The grill gets here Friday. We got all of the bolts we were missing in the lower structure here. We got to go through and replace all of these tractor supply bolts with the correct Torx bolts that we now have, minus these two because we didn't get those. The hood sprayers are going on right now with the harness. Oil's changed, coolant's refilled, bottles in and installed, headlights are installed. I don't think I got that on video. So slowly but surely chugging along. We're getting real close, real close. There it is, final step.
Wait a minute.
It's got little pegs. So you gotta take.
You mean I can't screw it up?
I mean, you can because it's gonna be sticky as shit. So I'm actually gonna be a little nervous about it.
No, I'm super nervous. Aha! Like I put it in a hole before. Booyah.
Look at that. You can't even tell this thing was wrecked now.
Super shiny. You want to hear it? You want to hear it? You want to hear it?
Let's hear it. You just can't go 5 minutes without starting it.
Yeah, no. Nobody wants to hear that. Well, I thought you were saying something.
Yeah, definitely nobody wants to hear the BMW.
Let me sit on it.
Can I ride in it for 5 minutes?
So much for your awesome buffing job. Well, you know, sometimes you get super excited, your rebuild is almost done, and then somebody points out to you that your grills are two totally different styles. So, back off with this front bumper. All right, back with the BMW. You can hear the sadness in my voice. We got the window tint on. It's lined up for detail tomorrow. I'm all excited. We're on the home stretch. And guess who gets to pull the rear bumper? Because this thing has no good hook points underneath the chassis, and the strap bounced up from the wheel and chunked out the paint that we just fixed on this freaking back bumper. So we're pulling it off, we're painting it. We got 2 days to get it done. So it's gonna go to detail without a rear bumper on it tomorrow. Yay. Well, that is where my video ended for this BMW rebuild. Obviously, I didn't do a very good job. We missed a lot of intricacies of things that we did. I didn't film a whole lot. But the reality is right there where I tore up that rear bumper on accident, the stress levels and time constraints were so high, I never picked a camera up again. I also forgot to record the finished product. So my buddy Tom, whose car that is, sent me this upcoming clip after he had it for like a week walking around the finished car. That being said, I'm going to end off with that so you can see what it looks like completed. If y'all would like to see like a series of us doing every little bit of these leading up to these complete videos, let me know in the comment section, and I can do that. I can change my recording habits. Otherwise, enjoy the finished product of this car. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy it, and subscribe if you want to see more.
All right, this is a 2014 328d X-Drive Wagon. Did a great job on the front clip. Got everything working. Cover here. Block the dogs out.